Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today I am going to make fruit custard. Add in half liter of milk into a pot. Don't add water to it. Once milk comes to a boil, turn down the flame to low. For the custard mixture, take 3 tablespoon milk. Add in 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Mix it. Make sure there is no lumps. Into the milk, add in 7 tablespoons of sugar. Stir until sugar dissolves. Now add in the dissolved custard mixture. Let it cook for some time. Once the custard mixture slightly thickens, turn off the flame. Transfer it onto a bowl. Allow it to cool. Once it cools completely, add in some chopped apple, some chopped banana, some mangoes, some pomegranate. Mix well so that everything gets combined. You can serve it as it is, or you can also refrigerate it and serve. That's it. A delicious and easy to make fruit custard is ready. If you like the recipe, then subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.